Mba ko bon bidlo sa même. Hello.
Hello, thank you for calling OUC. How may I help you, sir?
Yep. Excuse me. You can give me somebody that speak Creole.
Yeah, we can give you someone that speaks
Can
Creole,
give me
sir.
somebody that parle Creole, please.
Yeah, we can help you right away.
Creole.
What? Sir, we heard you the first time. Sir, we heard you the first time, sir. Thank
I'm
you.
from Haiti.
You from where?
Hello.
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 Hello. Sir, are you there? Are you there?
Oh.
Our records show that your
What
bill
does
is
mean?
really high, so
What does
sir,
mean?
which means
Ma'am,
that's why your electricity, sir.
Okay, can I speak to manager, please? Can I speak to
cannot speak
manager,
to
please?
our-
No.
Sir, I
No.
need you to calm down.
I'm
sir,
calling you.
calm-
Them bill too high. Them bill too high.
Okay, I understand that your bill is too high, sir. You use the water. Yeah, it's your water bill.
Okay, ma'am.
Sir.
You think I'm Hillary Clinton?
What?
Do you think I'm Hillary Clinton?
No, I don't think
No.
Hillary Clinton.
No.
Sir, it's your water.
And I use the
it's
water.
your water that's bringing it high. You guys are using the water too much.
We take
Sir,
5
you're not
minutes shower.
listening
What
to
you
me,
mean?
sir.
What you talking about? Listen, ma'am.
Sir, you're not
Somebody
listening
stealing
to
my electricity. I
Sir,
don't
can you put
understand.
your voice down, please?
My bill is too high. I don't know what you talking
Okay, I
about.
understand that your bill is too high. How do you
Cut
want me
it
to
off.
help you?
Cut it off.
I'm gonna
cut
cut it
everything
off.
off. If you
You
think
want me to cut it
I
off?
care about what you do,
You want me
I
to cut it
don't
off,
give a
sir?
shit.
I will, okay?
Because
I'm
the bill
tired
is
of
too
this.
high.
I'm
The
gonna
bill
cut
is
it
too-
off.
Oh,
Yeah, it's
hello.
off now.
Please, hello, please.
Oh, now you're apologizing, right?
My wife
You're
is gonna
apologizing. No need to apologize,
My wife
sir.
is gonna-
No need to
Hello,
apologize,
I'm
sir.
sorry.
Enjoy the rest of your evening. Good night,
Hello,
sir.
Madam, please.
Good night.
Monsieur DG, là, please. Je see. Don't do this, please. Hello. Get, foot movie. Jocelyn.